Are background checks required by law? When it comes to understanding the legal requirements around hiring and contracting, one question often arises: are background checks required by law? This is crucial for businesses, organizations, and individuals involved in hiring new employees, contracting workers, or engaging in high-trust partnerships. The requirement for background checks depends largely on the industry, the nature of the job, and jurisdictional laws. While not all positions require a background check by law, several sectors have clear mandates for conducting thorough screenings to ensure safety, security, and compliance. Here are some examples where background checks are legally required. Education sector. Teachers, administrators, and staff must often undergo background checks to ensure the safety of students. Healthcare industry. Healthcare professionals, including nurses and doctors, are required to have background checks to verify credentials and ensure no history of malpractice. Financial services. Positions involving financial handling, such as bank tellers or financial advisors, typically require background checks to prevent fraud and embezzlement. Security and law enforcement. Jobs in security and law enforcement necessitate thorough background checks to ensure individuals do not have a disqualifying criminal history. Transportation. Drivers for public transportation, freight, and rideshare companies may be required to pass background checks to ensure a clean driving record. In the United States, several federal laws impact the requirement and scope of background checks, including the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, which sets standards for employment screening. While not all positions require a background check by law, many sectors and specific job roles do, governed by federal and state regulations. Additionally, state laws may impose further requirements or restrictions on background checks, making it essential for employers to be familiar with applicable laws. What are the best practices for compliance? 1. Understand applicable laws. Employers should familiarize themselves with federal and state laws governing background checks for their industry. 2. Consent and disclosure. Obtain written consent from the individual undergoing the background check and provide them with a disclosure statement as required by the FCRA. 3. Use a qualified consumer reporting agency. Partner with a reputable agency that specializes in background checks and understands the legal requirements to ensure compliance and accuracy. Employers must navigate these legal waters carefully to ensure compliance and protect their organizations. Partnering with a qualified consumer reporting agency like Edify Background Screening can simplify this process. With extensive experience and advanced technology, Edify offers efficient and affordable solutions for conducting background investigations, helping employers make informed decisions while adhering to legal requirements. For more information, contact us at 336-283-037 or visit us at edifyscreening.com to experience the Edify difference in meeting your background screening needs.